Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the power saving settings on Razer Viper Ultimate. And to do this you'll need to get the Razer Synapse app from a Razer website. Click on your mouse when you're in the dashboard, then go for the power, and right here you can adjust the two power saving options. First one is wireless power saving. Enter sleep mode if your mouse is idle, and here you can set this specific amount of minutes. There's also low power mode. When the wireless enter low power mode if battery level is below, and here you can use a specific amount of percentage of this battery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.